Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. This is Nabeel Ahmed and welcome to my YouTube channel Code with Nabeel. So guys, today I am showing you a responsive website which is made by on WordPress. This is a gadgets website. If you see this, there is a professional logo, gadgets, home, products, about us, blog, contact us, and search bar, and add to cart, and much more. You can see I put on iPhone 12 Pro, and if you want buy now, then click on this button. Then I am linked watching a video of this mobile. Then you can see there another box which is free shipping, 100% money back, support 24/7, 100% payment secure. I will show you another these things after this slide. You can see there these are the laptops, drones, smartphones, gamings, and their quantities. These are the quantities: 245, 28, 273, and gaming on this website. You can see the another things you can see, and here I put on a web3 camera, VR camera, and a view offer, and you can see watch the video. Feature products, if you see view all, then you can see all the products, all the gadgets, AirPods Pro, AirTag, Apple Watch series, STC, Vivo V Pro 2, Razer, Black Shark, and Samsung Galaxy S21. You can see on next slide, here I put on the iPad Pro from $1,900. um, then you can see special offers, amazing events, human reviews, and much more. Latest news is web3, metaverse, and much more programming. And this is a footer of gadgets. You can link your Facebook account, Twitter, LinkedIn, and metaverse account, web3 community. You can see about us, contact us, products, login, sign up, and these are the customer areas, more information. And these are the payment method, which I created on Visa, PayPal, Mastercard, and much more. If I move to the um, product section, these are the products. I put on sort, popularity, and average rating. Let test products, and low to price, high, and high to low. Default, I click on the default, and these are the products which is showing by you. And uh, now move to about us page. This is the about us page which I created. These are the reviews, and marketing leaders, and finance and legal customers here support, and 3000 plus gadgets sold, happy clients, 2500, and 100% satisfaction rate. And apply now, contact us. These are two buttons which I show you after this slide. And this is the video. These are the testimonials. And uh, you can subscribe our channel also. So guys, if you are new here on my channel, kindly subscribe and click the bell icon. uh, these videos is just for you. Now move to blog section. um, Sorry, I guess my net is a little bit slow. These are the blog section, and these are the contact us page. Here are the three icons which I created. If you want, click on search button, then other background will be showing you, and there you can search each and everything. Here is the blog section which I show you, blog section, and there is a contact us page. I guess my net is a little bit slow. uh, so you can see three gadgets, three icons, sorry. These are the search button which I show you previously, and this is a contact us also. this is a loading in this website. Oh, sorry. This is the contact first page: physical address, phone number, email address, and you can contact us with our live location, uh, and send us message: first name, last name, your email, your phone number, subject and message, and so many things. These are the trending products, and here I show you the how you contact with us, and how you cart. This is your login page, which is login, sign up, and remember and login. And this is a add to cart. If you buy a product and add to cart your, you can see there these are things are here which you carted on this website, and now your card is empty and return to shop. So guys, this is a responsive website which I made on Wordpress. If you guys like this website, so kindly subscribe my YouTube channel, and wait for the new and best websites throw on my channel, and press the bell icon. And if you want this web hosting, I will give you the web hosting through the link. If you want this web hosting, kindly comment your email address, and also share your reviews on this website, that how was it, and how I made this, and what is your reviews about this website, and so on. Whatever you want, you write it on comment section, and kindly like this video, subscribe my YouTube channel, and press the bell icon. Thank you so much. Inshallah, um, I will come on the next video and next responsive website uh, to show you. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.